hard one.
Actually, a lot of people get. All right, we're starting.
Because there's a little invisible one in front of the other b, and so you're just going to add it to 10, so it's negative 9b.
Negative 9b?
I'm not sure this is bright enough.
I can see it.
I like it, Mr. Jordan.
If you're off to the side, it looks darker. If you're straight ahead, let's just go yellow.
Ooh.
Oh! Ooh, that's
It's giving highway.
it's giving highway.
Sorry, Cole. Thank you.
All right, Savannah.
Okay, so you combine the 5b and the b, which would be 6b, and then you just put plus 1.
Yeah. And would that be the one same as 1 plus 6b?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, it would.
Wow, they just really said.
Yeah, it gets a little bit harder as we go. It's not that hard. If you look at the heading, they actually call it pre-algebra.
Oh.
Week 2.
We already did this yesterday. Or last year.
This is like
Yeah, but I figured we could probably use more practice. The book assignment that we did on this, which was harder, didn't do that well on it. All right, Logan.
-5. Well, they say that at 77.
Yep. Okay, Gracie. Yep. Multiply them both by 8. All right, Nadia.
So you distribute the negative 5. So it's 35 plus, or minus 35 then.
Right. So make sure you distribute the negative on both. Negative times a negative is a positive. Negative times a positive is a negative. All right, Hallie. Shh. No, these two are not going to go together because these are x's and these aren't. So they're not going to mix. You can only add like terms. So what you have to do is kind of like that, but you're distributing the negative. Or if you want to think of it as a -1, you can. So -1 times 1. And then -1 times -5x. Well, negative times negative, positive. So that'll be plus. All right. Okay, -2 and -9 plus 4. All right, Trace.
You just multiply the 2, the n,
So what will that become?
it'd be -2n plus 18, and then just plus 4. And then you just add 18.
Right. So after we're done multiplying, kind of order of operations, multiply first, then you can add. You can add like terms. 18 and 4 can go together because they're both normal numbers, but they don't add with the n term. So the n term will just stay the same, and 18 plus 4 is 22. Keegan, what can we do on this one?
The negative 3 times 2, that's negative 6. The negative 3 times negative 3x would be positive 3x.
Positive.
Or minus. 6x. Plus, what's that?
It's called a sneeze.
That was not a sneeze.
Alright, so negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. Negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9x. And then, what'd you say, Keegan?
And then you do 6x plus
Alright. Alright, Austin.
Times negative 3a, it'll be negative 3a. Then negative 3 times 1, which will be negative 3. Then that's 6. So it'll be negative 3a plus 3.
Yeah, those two go together and make a positive 3. All right. Shelby, you got a big one.
Would you do, 3 times 1,
Mm-hmm.
then that'll be 3, and then you do 3 times 2, that'll be 6. And then,
Kind of the same thing over here, but this time it's a negative 3. So negative 3 times 1 and negative 3 times 4b. Yeah, but it's negative. And then
you would minus the 6b to the 12b.
6v minus 12v is negative 6v. Then what about this part? 3 minus 3.
Would you add the 3?
Kind of. You could say 3 plus negative 3. But you got, if the sign in front is a minus, yeah, more like subtracting 3 minus 3. So that'll just be 0.
Yeah.
And you don't have to put it. It's just this guy. Okay, Joe.
Huh?
Huh?
You would do 4 times 10x, which would be 40. Then you would do 4 times 6, which is 24. And then you have negative 20 times 9 is negative 90. And then you have negative 10 minus 90 is negative 40. And then you would combine the 40x and the negative 90x, and that's negative 50x. Then you would combine the 24 and the negative 90, and then you get negative 64.
I think it's negative 66.
Yeah, negative 66.
Already to the end, so fast. So let's see if we can have no homework. That will be our goal.
You said let's see if we can have it on here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm. Probably should have waited and checked your odds.
I did check the odds.
Not done yet.
Oh. I
Alright.
checked them along.
Chase,
You do same thing up to 8, which is 7.
girls. Girls, can't hear.
And 48p.
Okay.
Combine 7p and 48p to get 118 plus 15.
All right.
Mr. Jordan, when it's subtraction, and it would be like, if it was minus 15, does it have to be then 118 minus 15, or can we switch the 15 and the 118?
If the 15 were in front and it was negative, a minus, then it would be a negative.
So when it's subtraction, the order does matter?
Well,
Or,
not necessarily. So let's say it was 7b minus 8. This would be the same thing as negative 8 plus 7b. So as long as the sign in front is, if it's minus or negative, that's the same.
okay.
Positive or plus, that's the same.